Hello again! I cannot believe that we are on to week 4 already. Week 4! Now this week talks about what is the same and what's different. And that's because your year 1 was kind of cut short, wasn't it? You didn't really finish it with Miss Lamb as we had intended you to. And we know that there are a lot of things that would have changed for you since then. But also, there are a lot of things that have stayed the same. So that's what we're going to be thinking about a bit this week together. So, this bit at the top here says, what's the same? Because while there have been a lot of big changes, actually you, as a learner, you've stayed the same. So there are some things here to have a think about, and these are not only going to help you have a think about what's stayed the same, but it's going to really help me as a teacher as well to get to know you as a learner as well before we even start in September. So this bit here says, something that helped me last year which would help me this year. Now that could be something like you need to sit near the board because you find it better to see that way or better to listen that way. Maybe you know that you're somebody that if you sit with your friends, you do get distracted easily, and so you're better off sitting on a table where you'll be able to concentrate better. Have a think about it, because that's something that I can think about with you in September as well to help you out. This one here is my favourite subject, and that's just because I'm interested. We've all got our favourite subjects. Maybe you love PE, maybe you love geography, maybe you love science. And then it's also got a really important word here. It says because. And I want you to tell me why you love that subject. So I really love geography. I think the world is absolutely fascinating, and I really like travelling as well. So that's why I like geography, and that's what I put in that box. And underneath, equally as important, it says the subject I find the hardest is. And we all find different subjects tricky, don't we? Now I know when I was at school, I used to find maths definitely the hardest, and I actually think that was because it really wasn't explained to us in the same way that we do things now, and I wish we had done it in the way we do now, because I really love maths. Now I teach it, and now I understand it a bit better. It's great, but that would definitely be the one that went in my box here, is that I find maths the hardest. And the last one here says, my brain grows best when. Now this is a really important box, because this will really help me out as a teacher, and it will really help you out as a learner as well to have a think about when your brain grows best. And this could be something like, do you work really well, do you learn really well when you do things practically? So when we have lots of the resources out on the table, or when we make things, when we make posters, that kind of thing, do you work really well as a group? So do you learn better when you talk things through with your shoulder partner or your buddy on the carpet? Or do you work better when you can focus on your own? We're all different, aren't we? So tell me about that in there. So that's the what's the same part at the top here. And then what's different? Because lots of things have changed. And there's actually a separate video for you to watch here. And that gives you a tour of our classroom, so you can watch that video, and that will walk you into school, and you can have a look around our classroom. And there's a picture of me at the bottom here, because I'm different, aren't I? I'm not Miss Lamb. So there's a picture there for you, and you can check out our new classroom video as well. Have fun. I hope you have lots of time this week just to play games and enjoy yourself as well, and I will see you soon. Bye.